Mustang Timmy99 here. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, I got my car back from service today. They ran a test on my air conditioner. They did not find no leaks. However, my Freon was low, which is really weird because it shouldn't be low if there's no leaks. So now the AC is working really good. I'll show you here on my little thermometer. 47, 46 degrees. Now before it was running around 80. So I will keep an eye on it and see if it starts doing the same thing. But yeah, it's cooling now. We're all good to go. I also got a new girl emblem, which I'll show you in the video. As always, my friends, you're first, you're last. Have a blessed day.